got no time to spend. Why won't you just take